everybody, welcome back to Arie Moore's makeup room where we learn and grow together. Today I am here with a magnetic eyelash review from Tori Belle's Cosmetic, guys. I'm super excited to be presenting this video to you guys. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Go ahead and give this video a nice big thumbs up and leave some comments down below. Alright guys, let's get into this video. Let's go. Okay, so I did receive my package from Tori Belle and I'm super excited about this. Thank you so much for Tori Belle Cosmetic for sponsoring this video. I really greatly appreciate it, guys. So I already opened it because I'm like, you know, I just be liking to this metal, you know, metal. So let me pull everything out of here, out of the package, and I'm gonna let you know what we got. Y'all already read the title, so technically you knew, but you don't know what it looked like. So first thing I'm going to show you is she does Tori Belle Cosmetic. Let me show y'all. She gives instructions on how to apply her magnetic lashes. That is a plus because this is actually my very first time wearing magnetic lashes. So I typically do like the glue and just the regular lashes, you know what I'm saying? I typically just do that. So I really appreciate the fact that she gave instructions for this. It tells you step by step as far as what to do. I already read over this pre-recording, so I pretty much know what it says, but this is a plus. This is a plus. A lot of cosmetic brands don't really be telling you what to do to apply your product. They just give it to you. So that is amazing. And then she also has her magnetic eyeliner. This is what's going to actually hold the eyeliner in place, and it has really good directions. It says to apply 1 coat of magnetic eyeliner, allow to dry for 2 minutes, apply a 2nd coat, allow eyeliner to dry completely. Starting from the inner corners of the eyelid, apply magnetic lashes. When happy with the placement, lightly press lashes to set. So you do have to press the lashes in to actually set. I think the directions for this is very simple. So this is what it looks like. I really love the box setup, guys. It's so cute. I don't know, I love black and I love red, so she won me with the 2 colors. Red is my mom's favorite color, black is my favorite color, and together we make a best friend. But I will also be placing her website down in the description box, guys, so make sure you go check it out and shop, and make sure you let her know that Arie Moore, the Arie Moore, sent you. So I know y'all like, show us the lashes. We want to see the lashes. Boom, baby. These are the lashes. Look at those girls. Look at those lashes. They're super light, super fresh, super cute. And these are her date night lashes, magnetic eyelashes from Tori Belle Cosmetics, guys. I'm super excited. And it's so cute. Like, look, she even have the individuals right at the bottom. That is adorable. Guys, we're just going to use this these 2 today, and then maybe sometime later down the line I'll go into this, but I like it. I am in love and I cannot wait to see how it looks. I think it's perfect for today's look because, guys, today was just an all-natural everyday makeup glam. So these lashes are super light compared to my very heavy lashes that I usually use every single day when I do like my dramatic looks. So yeah, guys, are y'all ready to go ahead and watch me apply these lashes? I already know you are, so let's go. So this is what the liner looks like once it comes out of the pack, guys. It's nice and thick. Let's open this up and see what the... Oh, okay. It has a nice little sharp edge. You can probably do like a wing look with this. However, since this is my first time doing it, I'm so freaking nervous. I'm so nervous. Again, thank you so much, Tori Belle Cosmetics, for sponsoring this video. I just cannot wait to apply this to my eyelids. Guys, the link to shop will be down in the description box down below, guys. She is tagged into this video. I'm actually going to go into a liner that you guys have already seen me use, which is my NYX liner. I just want to go ahead and give myself a base to work with, mainly because I'm not familiar with how the liner is going to withhold throughout the day, and I do have to go to work today, so we just want to make sure that your girl is good. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and outline and get these lashes on. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with that NYX eyeliner. I'm just gonna create a very short eye wing, nothing too dramatic, just very simple, smoothing it out, bringing it very close to my lash line. That way I can go over with the magnetic liner and still have a very nice clean look. So this is basically just the base that I'm going to be using because y'all, I'm going to go right into this corner and bring it out just a little tad bit. I really don't like doing eyeliner and talking at the same time. It's like so easy to mess up, especially like when you're using black. Like, it seems like once you do one thing wrong, you're done for. But yeah, so I'm gonna fill that in. All right, fill that in, fill that in, fill that in. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to fill this in, guys, and we're gonna be right back. Okay, so now we have our NYX eyeliner. We got our base down, so that is perfect. We're gonna finally go in with the Magnetic Tude from Tori Belle Cosmetics, guys. And this is what's gonna actually keep the lashes down. So the NYX eyeliner does not have the ingredients to actually hold that those lashes. So you have to have the eyeliner for that. So what I'm going to do is you're not going to be putting the lashes directly onto your actual eyelashes. You're going to put it above the eyelashes. So I'm going to just really just kind of take my time and outline right over that black that I have. And we're just going to add a nice light coat to it for the first layer. And I'm following where my lashes are. I'm just not applying it directly to my lashes, guys. Do not apply it directly to your lashes. Okay. Following the line. Getting it nice and smooth. I'm gonna go right back over that line. I'm gonna rub some of this off. It's so much inside of this tube. Like a little bit definitely goes a very long way. And I can see myself having this for a very long time. Hopefully the lashes are something that's going to last a very long time. Usually I can tell once I actually touch it and stuff if the lashes will last me a while. So I'll let you guys know if I feel like the lashes are going to last. But now I'm going to just go over it with another layer before it actually starts to dry up. And on the paper, remember, it says let it dry for a couple of minutes and then go over with another layer and then let it dry completely. So that is my first layer, guys. Let's put this top on. I don't want to waste no products. And I'm just going to fan it dry. And once this actually dries, I'm going to actually go in and add the other layer on here and then go back over it with the second coat, and then we're going to be right back. So we are going to go ahead and apply these lashes. I like to just kind of go down. I'm going to do it how I do like my normal everyday lashes. And she said to go ahead and get it in position first before pushing it in. I think that's a nice natural. I really like it. This actually blends very well with my lashes. And then you kind of push it into place. Really not hard. And it don't even feel like it's there. I definitely like it. I need to put some mascara. I'm so used to like pulling my lashes together. Oh, I like it. Oh, that was easy. That's all. Look at that. That's literally all you have to do. Like, that was so easy. I'm okay. And it don't even feel like it's on my eyes, and it feels so natural. Like, okay. I like it, guys. Okay, so let me do my makeup, finish my makeup, and let's see what it looks like all together. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely love the lashes. It's super freaking light. I love it. The look is so natural altogether. It just looks very complete, looks very fresh. I literally did the rest of my makeup with the lashes on just because I really wanted to see if it was going to stay on and just maintain its shape. And guys, it did not budge at all. I looked up, I looked down, side to side. It did not move at all. I definitely feel confident in wearing these lashes all day long, guys. Again, the link will be down in the description box down below for you to go and shop. Please, please, please go and shop Tori Belle's Cosmetics, guys. Let her know that the Arie Morris sent you guys. Look at this. I mean, it's just, I love it. I love it. It just looks so natural. Like, it just doesn't look like I have anything on. It doesn't feel like I have anything on. I just love it. I'm super excited, guys. Thank you so much for watching this eyelash review / tutorial, guys. Hope you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you go ahead and like this video and leave some comments down below. What did you think about the finished look, guys? It is amazing, and I hope you guys like it too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.